Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today I'm going to explain about my model, and I'm here with my model which is about compound light microscope. And the reason why I selected compound light microscope, because it is very beneficial and helpful for our modern science and technology. The compound light microscope means that microscope which releases all the lights and upon the microscope. By the human eye we can see in the lenses. In compound light microscope there are two lenses in order to use it. These two lenses are used to see the specimen. What is the specimen? The specimen means the image of that thing, or the image of that thing which are kept here. By the help of these two lenses we can see the image properly, and then condenser is also playing a very big role, and it's collecting all the lights it collects all the lights from here which are fixed here, and lights are also fixed here. Condenser is collecting the lights, and the lights are releases here to see the specimen properly, and being the lights having, we can see the image more proper, in the more proper way. And it's all upon its body, and it's not that it's heavy, but not that much heavy that it can't be carried by someone. And compound light microscope is having one more benefit, that it can see those animals which are alive. And compound light microscope can see above the image much more bigger than it is. And compound light microscope can see the image more than 0.2 micrometer, and it is very helpful for our modern science and technology. As I told you that by the human eye we see in these two lenses, and by the help of these two lenses we see the specimen. The specimen means the image. The condenser is also releasing the lights here, then we see the image more properly. Compound light microscope is very beneficial and helpful for our modern science and technology. Thanks for listening to it.